Many people are interested to learn Gongfu Cha, but what is Gongfu Cha? Does it mean when you use the Gaiwan, then it is the Gongfu Cha? The answer is no. Okay. However, the Gaiwan, it is very handy teaware we use in the Chinese tea ceremony because basically these simple things we can brew green tea, white tea, yellow, oolong, all 60 type. You can use one instrument. Okay. But what is the difference of using the Gaiwan? I think the biggest difference is when do you put the lid on during the tea brewing. For example, when you're making the green tea, because we want the tea colors maintained a little bit yellowish green, but not too yellow. Okay, then we will put the lid on at the end. But oolong is a harbor shape. We need the high temperature, and also the temperature is different. For the green tea, the temperature for Chinese green tea, we takes about 80 degrees. But for oolong, starting from the 90 to 99, you're almost 100 degrees. It all depends on the oxidation level, fermentation level. Okay, so for the oolong, we need the heat rolling in and allow the leaves start to open up. Then we put the lid back on immediately. Okay, so this is, I'm going to show you how do I brew the green tea with the Gaiwan. Simple Gaiwan. First, warm up all teaware. As always, no matter what you do. Warm up your teacups as well. And the tea I use today is Longji. And I put the tea leaves in there. At that moment, I put the lid on. Why? Because I want the leaves wake up the scent in a very cozy and warm environment. And of course, don't forget also to rinse your serving cup. Then you smell from the lid, okay? This is a Longjing from Songyang. Give me a very nice flora with a mixture of a creamy flavor, sweet creamy flavor, okay? Because this is an organic quality, so I don't really, and also it's the first flush in the early spring. So basically, I don't need to rinse it. I do need to, however, to pay attention to the water temperature. Okay, if you go to China, they will tend to use 100 degrees of water. They really use very hot water. But remember, they steep the waters out almost immediately. Okay, they don't give a very long brewing with a very hot water. I put the water's over the leaf, just about to cover the leaf. So allow the leaf start to soak in the water. At this moment, you see, I don't keep my lid back on my Gaiwan. Then I fill it up the Gaiwan further. And you can see I still don't put my lid on. It's very important, in case you use a filter, it's very important you clean your filter before. So make sure you don't mix different kinds of tea in one filter. Now I'm going to filter my tea out. Then I put my lead on and filter the tea out. Then you can see that the color of this tea is yellow with a very mild green note inside. If you put the lid on too early, then the color of your green tea will become more yellowish. And also because that force the high temperature from the lid back into the water, so the stringency tends to become stronger as well. At that moment, keep your infusion time shorter. But as I said, if you brewed with the oolong, then you just put the waters in, you put the dexel on, the lid on, okay, until the tea is, the fusion time is ready, then you filter it out, because we need the heat not to vaporize, actually go touch the lid and coming back. Okay, so even using the one simple Gaiwan, you do have to change the process according to what type of tea you are brewing and what are you looking for. That is very important. So when you use Gaiwan, does not mean you are making Gongfu Cha. The green tea is not Gongfu Cha. Lü Cha, the green tea, is just using the Gaiwan. That's all. This is Mei Lan from Belgian Chinese Tea Culture Association. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.